Hello, and welcome to this video demonstration of how to prepare and fit test 3M tight-fitting respirators using the TSI PortaCount Quantitative Fit Testing Machine. In this video, we will cover how to prepare a selection of 3M tight-fitting respirators for fit testing. For detailed instructions on how to set up, operate a TSI PortaCount and conduct fit tests in accordance with established national protocols, please see the link shown at the end of this video. The PortaCount measures the goodness of fit of a respirator by counting the number of particles both inside the mask and outside in the ambient air. From this, a fit factor is calculated. Two tubes connect to the PortaCount. The blue tube is open to the ambient air. The clear tube needs to be connected to the mask being fit tested. For an accurate fit test, and without affecting the seal of the tight-fitting respirator to the face, air from within the breathing zone inside of the mask needs to be sampled. Preparing a tight-fitting respirator or probing a respirator is achieved in a number of different ways. Before fit testing a respirator, inspect the respirator for damage, integrity of parts, and presence of appropriate valves. For filtering facepiece respirators, commonly referred to as disposable respirators, a special metal probe is used. Using the tool provided, the probe is pushed through the layers of the respirator from the inside to outside. To be sampling from the breathing zone, the probe should be positioned as close as possible to the lips. If the respirator has an exhalation valve, the probe should be positioned to one side of the valve as shown. The probe is secured firmly in place using a small cap. Connect the clear tube to the probe. A 3M 4000 series respirator is probed in a similar manner to a 3M disposable respirator. A metal probe is inserted through the elastomeric material of the respirator. Take care to avoid the rigid plastic components of the mask and to avoid placing the probe too close to the nose of the wearer. Connect the clear tube to the probe. For reusable respirators, the 3M 601 fit test adapter should be used. Connect a length of the supplied tubing to the internal connection of the 601. For a half mask, feed the other end of the tubing through the inhalation valve of the respirator directly into the facepiece. Note, the 601 adapter should be connected to the right-hand side filter bayonet of a 3M mask so that the tube connection to the PortaCount is pointing down. Cut the tubing to length so that the end terminates within the breathing zone. Now attach the metal insert and suction cup. Secure the end of the tube to a flat surface within the mask. Connect P3 particulate filters before fitting the respirator. Connect the clear tube to the probe. For full face masks, the procedure is very similar to that for a half mask. Feed the tubing connected to the 601 fit test adapter through the inhalation valve of the mask and then through the inhalation valve of the nose cup assembly. Cut the tubing to length. Terminate and secure within the mask. Connect P3 particulate filters and the clear tube to the probe. Always check that there is sufficient slack in the tubing during the fit test, so that during the fit test exercises, the tubing does not pull on the respirator and affect the respirator fit. Upon completion of fit testing, you must dispose of probed disposable respirators. For 4000 series respirators, these may be hygienically cleaned and reused for further fit tests only. For reusable respirators, simply remove the 601 fit test adapter and internal tubing, taking care to ensure that the respirator is intact and not damaged. For more information on these products, please contact your local 3M representative.